Today, let's make delicious and crispy homemade aloo paratha, step by step.
Here are the simple ingredients we need for our aloo paratha.
First, take 2 cups of wheat flour in a mixing bowl. Add a little salt according to your taste. Add water little by little and start mixing. Knead the dough until it becomes soft and smooth.
Our soft dough is ready. Cover it and let it rest for a few minutes.
First, wash the potatoes well and boil them in water until they become completely soft and tender. Now, mash the potatoes well without leaving large lumps. Add finely chopped onion for extra flavor. Add finely chopped green chili according to your spice preference.
Add some fresh coriander leaves.
Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add red chili powder for a nice spicy flavor. Add a little garam masala for a delicious aroma. Add salt according to your taste.
Mix everything thoroughly until the filling is evenly combined.
Our flavorful aloo filling is ready. Now divide the rested dough into equal-sized portions.
Take one portion and make a smooth dough ball.
Flatten it gently and dust it with a little wheat flour. Roll it into a small round disc. Place a generous portion of potato filling in the center. Bring the edges together and seal the filling inside. Seal it properly so the filling stays inside while rolling. Dust it lightly with wheat flour. Roll gently into a round paratha without pressing too hard. Try to keep the paratha evenly thick.
Heat a flat tawa over medium heat.
Place the rolled paratha carefully on the hot tawa. Cook until small bubbles start appearing on the surface.
Now flip it gently.
Apply a little oil or ghee for a crispy golden finish. Cook both sides until beautiful golden brown spots appear. Gently press the edges so the paratha cooks evenly.
Our crispy and delicious aloo paratha is perfectly cooked.
Transfer the hot paratha onto a serving plate.
Serve it hot with fresh yogurt.
This homemade aloo paratha is crispy outside, soft inside, and full of flavor.
If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes.